Hi guys, today I want to show the beginners because I'm a beginner and I want to share my experience. Like me in the beginning, I'm interested in coins, I hear much about it and I think by myself, okay, now is the way to invest. But always remember, just invest the money what is not for a living, what is not for your food, for your drinking, for your kids. Just take money what you can lose, because crypto is a risk. Now let us look. Go to coinmarketcap.com, search the coins, look all the information, and then which coin or what coin, in what coin you interesting. Maybe all the people hear about Dogecoin. Yeah, then really easy. Now you're thinking where I can buy it? Then click on Dogecoin. Then you can find much information, how about what it costs, and much information. You can see the website, the community. If you want to take some information, go to Reddit. You can find much information there. This is the white paper. You can also, you see by yourself, you get much information. But now where you can buy it, really easy. Scroll down. Then you find here the Dogecoin market. The meaning, the market where you can buy Dogecoin. Here you see some market, but let us click here, see all markets. And then, tada, much markets you can buy, where you can buy Dogecoin. Really easy and simple. Yeah, so now we go back, and this is the same with the Bitcoin. Click on the Bitcoin if you want to buy Bitcoin. You see all the information here. Yeah, and then scroll down. Then you find the market, see all market, and then you can choose one market. So easy it is. Now we go back. And always remember, I'm not an expert, I'm a beginner, and this is just my experience. If you want to buy some coins or you want to begin, take your own experience. Yeah, and this is just what I can say you, but here on the coinmarketcap.com you find everything and much information, really much, and you can find much coins. Yeah, really much coins. It's have no end. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and see you next time.